This is a recording of Lost at the Beach. This is week 4 for reading. Go into your Schoology account. The slides were made available on Wednesday and actually Tuesday that was yesterday, September 15th. Today is September 16th, 2020. The title is Lost at the Beach. This is our first reading lesson. The vocabulary that we need to understand for this lesson and story is a green bathing suit. The feeling that the character feels is that they are lost. They can't find their daughter. Therefore, they ask the lifeguard to help find the daughter because the mother is worried that the daughter is lost at the beach. The lifeguard uses his binoculars to find the daughter. Lost at the beach, page 1. Liz is at the beach. Right now, she is worried. Her daughter Mia is lost. Liz runs to the lifeguard. Liz describes her daughter. Mia is 7 years old. This is Mia, the daughter. She has brown hair and blue eyes. She has freckles on her face. She is wearing a big hat. The lifeguard looks through his binoculars. Then he looks at Liz. Is Mia wearing a green bathing suit? Yes, says Liz. Do you see her? Yes, says the lifeguard. She's right behind you. So, Liz finds Mia with the help of the lifeguard. Now, to complete the story, we're going to complete the sentences. Liz is at the beach. Right now, she is, and in order to fill this out, we go back into our slides and find. She's worried. Thank you, Nuria. She's worried. So we take this word and we fill in the blanks. So please take the time to go ahead and fill in the blank. Her daughter, Mia, is lost. Liz runs to the lifeguard. So remember, to find the answer, we need to go back into our reading. And the answers are here. Okay? We're doing this for the rest of that paragraph. Then the next slide is a yes or no question. Is Liz at the beach? Yes. Then the next one. Mia has freckles on her face. Is that true or false? Yes or no? Mia has freckles on her face. Yes. So we put a check mark here. She is wearing a small hat. Is she wearing a small hat? No, she's wearing a big hat. If we come back here, remember? She's wearing a big hat. There you go. So remember, you can always go back and find your answers. Right now, Liz is lost. Is Liz lost or is Mia lost? Mia is lost, so this would be no. Liz runs to the lifeguard. Is this yes or no? Yes. Liz runs to the lifeguard. Mia is 6 years old. Is she 6 years old? Let's look back. She's 7 years old. She has black hair and brown eyes. Is this yes or no? She has brown hair and blue eyes. So we go back and we check our work. Brown hair, blue eyes. So this would be no. Then we go to the next slide. Mia has freckles on her face. Yes. She is wearing a small hat. No. She's wearing a big hat. Remember? Liz runs to the lifeguard. Yes. Mia is 6 years old. No, she's 7. See, she's 7 years old. She has black hair and brown eyes. No. She is wearing a blue bathing suit. This is wrong. What color is her bathing suit? Try again. Let's look. She is wearing a big hat. Mia is wearing a green bathing suit. So you know what I can do is I can highlight the words to help guide you. She is right behind her mother. Yes or no? She's right behind you. Yes, she is. Yes, she is right behind her mother. So the next slide, we're filling in the sentences. Liz blanks to the lifeguard. Does she looks to the lifeguard or does she runs? Liz runs to the lifeguard. Liz describes her daughter. Mia has brown hair and blue eyes. The lifeguard looks through his binoculars. The lifeguard sees Mia. Mia is right behind Liz. And then I didn't finish this. So we're completing these activities, and then we're done.